Welcome everyone to another edition of Behind the Boards. This is what I'm calling this series. So we're going to talk about keyboards and pianos and how to use scales, the keyboard and chords to craft our songs. And so I think this pop up to go away. It'd be great. Let's do it. Just SOUNDTRAP doing what SOUNDTRAP does. As you know. As SOUNDTRAP always does. So this is a good place though, so we can start with a SOUNDTRAP session. We're gonna do the music. We're gonna add a track, and we're gonna add piano. And what I want to do is want to show us how to use scales to craft songs and to create melodies. But first, what we want to do is set the key. We're gonna use C minor. And so that's the key we're gonna write the song in, because like most trap songs, pop songs, stuff that we really like to do, usually they're in minor keys. You know what I'm saying? So let's start with a minor key, C minor. So we know we always talked about half steps and whole steps when it comes to our major scales, but there's also a half step, whole step system when it comes to our minor scales. And so you remember this formula. We can go whole step half, whole step half, whole step. And this is what this looks like. So I always like to put the root note in first, because a lot of people want to go, they just kind of got to remember, like, you just want to start with the root note, on the root note, and then go a whole step from the root note to the next note. So from C to D is a whole step because there's a note in between. And so from D to E flat is a half step. And then from E flat to F is a whole step. F to G is a whole step. From G to A flat is a whole step. A flat to B flat is a whole step. And from B flat to C is a whole step. So now we got whole step, half, whole step, half, whole step, whole step. And so now we get our C minor scale, which if you look at this and kind of move these notes around, it's just an E flat major scale, okay? In the key of E flat, we have three flats: E flat, A flat, B flat. In order, it would be B flat, E flat, A flat, all right? That's how we go in order of adding flats. So if we started in C, C has no sharps or flats. If we move around the circle of fifths, we go to F, which F has the B flat. The next key in the circle of fifths is B flat. So in key of B flat, we add the E flat. So B flat has B flat and E flat as the flat notes. And then we move to E flat. All right, you're starting to see the pattern here. All right, so we start adding the A flat in the key of E flat. So the key of E flat has the B flat, the E flat, and the A flat as accidentals. All right, or key modifiers, whichever one you want to use. And so again, the way to find the minor scale is to look at the parent scale. And so this is how you find the parent scale. So say if I'm in C major, if I want to know what C minor was, I can move up three half steps. So half to C sharp, half to D, and half to E flat. And then what I would do is I would use the parent key, which will be E flat here. I would apply those changes to C. Okay, so now if we know that E flat has the E flat, the A flat, and the B flat as the flat notes, now in C, instead of being C, D, E of the major scale, we drop that E to E flat. Then we go G, F, G. Those remain the same. Once we get to the A, we drop that A to an A flat. Once we get to a B, we drop that B to a B flat. And then we're back to C again. So C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, and C. Those are that's on the minor scale, right? And so this is what it sounds like. Let's do it where you can see the notes. Verses. So right, so we have these notes. So instead of, again, major would be E, then E flat for the minor. Major would be F, G, those stay the same in the minor and the major. And so then once we get to the A in the major, that goes to the flat. So there, instead of a B flat. All right. So the only thing we're doing, we flatten the third, the sixth, and the seventh of any major key, and we get the minor key. All right. So third, sixth, seven. All right. Third, sixth, and seven in major C. Third, sixth, and seven in minor. You just drop those notes. All right. So that's how we find a minor scale. Next, in our next series, we're going to talk about how to use these to create chords and to create melodies. So next time, this is Michael Gates for Notes for Notes. Make sure, if you're not a part of the Notes for Notes program, that you go to notesfornotes.org/digital. We are accepting new members, and it's free to all ages from 8 to 18. And then we have instrumental lessons, podcasting, production, songwriting, beat making, vocal lessons. We have artist development. And we go through stuff like music history, music instrumentalship, and so much more. If you want to sign up, just please send an email to digital@notesfornotes.org. And we looking forward to helping you on your musical journey. Once again, I'm Michael Gates in Memphis. Be blessed.